it? Where is it coming from?
Okay. Okay, so I'll have to start from my early days. Basically, I started learning at an early age. So my father made sure that I used to face bowlers who were much older than me. So I started playing against, say, a 16-year-old fast bowler when I was 8 or 9. So there was no fear. Basically, he wanted to remove that fear. And I started playing against under 14 guys when I was 12. But I had already faced bowlers who were 16 or 17. So when I played my first game, it looked easy. Like, I mean, the standard was very easy for me. And in my very first game, I scored a triple hundred. I don't know how. I can't even recollect. But yes, that was the first ever triple hundred I had scored. So after that, I think it's the habit which I have created to score long innings. So whenever I played junior cricket, whether it was under 14, under 15, then it became under 15. So I could play another year. Then it became under 17. So I played under 17. I played under 19. So in all those games, basically, whenever I used to score 100, I thought I mean, since I had scored a triple hundred in under 14 game, I should at least score double hundred or more than that. So it became a habit, and once you start playing more number of balls, once you start occupying the crease, you start developing your concentration. And apart from that, also I also feel the routine is very important for me. I think I give a lot of importance to my routine, the number of hours I sleep. I try and make sure that I at least get 8 hours of sleep at a particular time, which also helps you develop your concentration. Apart from that, I do my yoga, meditation. So all these things help you develop your concentration.
See, great. I'm sure everybody got the answer, but there is something that none of you know about Cheteshwar. And oh, okay. By the way, I prepared this, but I forgot. Came cho Cheteshwar?
મજામાં આયાશ.
Ah, Majama, Majama. Okay. Gujarati is a little tougher. I'm learning a few other languages, but I will get there. Okay.
Yeah.
What I wanted to ask was, while while you're playing like this, when you're so structured, get your 8 hours of sleep in and all that, this is definitely not a serious question. I'm going to pull your legs.
Okay.
How is it that you are able to keep alarm and do every activity? For example, a lot of people keep alarm to wake up, but you keep an alarm to go to sleep, right? Like at 9:30, I must go to sleep. 10 o'clock, I must go to
No,
sleep.
it's not that bad.
No,
And
no, guys.
especially not during lockdown.
He's getting out of the situation. I'll tell you why. Because
Hmm.
at 4 o'clock in the evening every day, Puji must eat snacks. If he
Not
doesn't
anymore.
get snacks, he will
Bro,
eat
not
you.
anymore. Not
Obviously,
anymore.
you
It
can't do
was
it.
in the past.
Lot of people are not getting essentials. So to have 2 meals or 3 meals now, we are lucky. But
Yeah.
4 o'clock meal is a must. Yes or no?
It was, yeah. It was must before. When I used to have 4 meals a day, now I've reduced it to 3 meals a day. And my dinner is, I have early dinner now. So my dinner is by 6:30. No, you know
Same
that now.
sunset dinner you're having.
Yeah, yeah. 6:30 I finish my dinner, and then next meal is in the morning. So it's kind of an intermittent fasting for me
Oh,
at this
you do
stage.
that. You're doing that 14-hour fasting now.
Not 14, 12, at least 12. 14 is tough for me.
No, but you can't evade this question because Pooja is also laughing on the messages down. So she's agreeing with what I'm saying. Anyway, the other important fact that everybody must know is Puji is a unbelievable gadget freak. Okay, so
Yeah.
he is like, if today somebody launches a gadget, it could be any gadget. Correct, Puj?
Yeah,
Electronic
you're
gadget,
right.
or it goes out to
Yeah.
electrical gadgets also.
No, 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 just electronic.
Just
Like
electronic,
maybe,
and
maybe not electronic also. The mobile, either it's mobile, iPad, laptop, whatever. Yeah.
yeah, so what he will do is he basically has a room in his house where all these gadgets, as soon as they are launched, they will go and stay in his room. He will pick it up and use everything, and then he will decide which one is nice and which one is not nice, the better features and all that. There is something called as a gadget guru. I've seen that program, but they are wasting their
I'm
time
not
there.
that much into gadgets. Yeah, you are right. I like gadgets, but it's not like I'm not a gadget guru.
No, this
I
show is
can
like
give you
this.
some opinion. I can advise people, but I'm not very, very good at it.
No, this show is very simple. If you are
Yeah,
say you get 2 out of 10, I will make sure it's 20. That hype I'll give.
yeah, yeah.
So
I can
people
get
can
two
take
out
it
of
with that
10.
discount. What did you say?
I can get 2 out of 10. You have to make it 20.
No way, it's a 7 on 10. Anyway, let's get to the topic, Puch. Do you remember this test match that we played in Bangalore against
Yeah.
Australia, the second test after Pune?
Yes, I do. I think before you start, I just want to say that it was one of the best test series I've been part of. I'm sure you have the same answer as well. One of the toughest series I've been part of, and I've enjoyed that series the most.
Okay, but what is it that you specially remember about this? When you say that Bangalore test, what do you remember from the top of the head? I remember your 92, the dogged 92, where you killed the Aussie bowling attack in the second innings. We'll talk
Yeah.
about it. But what else do you remember?
For me, I think the first test match when we lost, I think we all of us sat together and had a chat because when you're 1-0 down and especially in a four test match series, it's always tough to make a comeback. And our first innings, I still remember we didn't bat well in the first innings and they had the lead. So when I was walking into bat, I felt a lot of pressure. But after the first innings, Anil Bhai had a chat with me about how to tackle Nathan Lyon, and then I went into the nets at NCA at end of day's play and played few balls and worked on few things, which did help me in the second innings. But when I was walking into bat, there was a lot of pressure, and I felt that the kind of sledging which they did, I thought they were a little ahead of what they wanted to achieve, and their thought process was, I mean, they felt that they had already won the game, and by tea time, I think I was with Ajinkya. We were coming into the dressing room, and they were sledging as if they had won the game, and that is when things did turn around, I felt.
Okay, Shami saying hello. Hello, Shami bhai, kaise ho? ठीक है. So, Puj, I remember
Yes.
one very, very crucial incident that happened in the first innings.
Yeah.
Nathan Lyon, very good, very good, very good, Shami. How are you doing? I
Good.
saw you running on the farm. Keep going. Bag, bag, Shami, bag.
शमी, मैंने ऐश को तो बोला है कि बॉल डालने के लिए आना है राजकोट, तू भी आ जाना प्लीज। फाइनल तो खेला नहीं था तू रणजी ट्रॉफी का।
कैसे वो कहीं भाग गया, पता नहीं क्यों नहीं आया। तुम लोग राजकोट में मैच डाला तो कौन सा बॉलर आएगा बताओ पहले।
यार उसके लिए तो बहुत हेल्प था वो विकेट में।
हाँ वो तो है, बट वो डाल सकता था उस विकेट पे वो। ठीक है,
Yes.
अभी इधर बात नहीं कर सकता। ठीक है, मैं सी पुज, आई रिमेंबर दिस इंसिडेंट
Yeah.
वेयर आई वाज bowling and Anil bhai, after first innings, Nathan Lyon got 8 wickets. Okay,
Yeah.
It's like basically Nathan Lyon was running right, and Anil bhai at the end of the first day when we were bowling, it had stopped spinning because I felt the wicket was damp on the first day. It was wet.
Yeah,
Is
it
that
was.
right? Is that right?
Yes, 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 yes. You are right.
Yeah, it was
There was
wet
little
on
bit
the
of it.
first day, and then
Yeah.
when we started bowling, it literally stopped turning, and it was like just
Yeah.
straightening up. And Anil
Yeah.
bhai was like, Ash, why don't you just go around the stumps, go over the stumps? And he gave quite a few suggestions, and I was like, Anil bhai, we have to be patient. I know patient. I know we are behind in the series,
Yeah.
but somehow it's not happening. So we have to deliver some patience. Anil bhai said,
Yeah.
yes, completely yes. But I'm not putting pressure on you, but you have to do it. So that
Yeah.
sort of a pressure was happening. And the next day when I was bowling, started bowling over the stumps to Warner and Renshaw into the rough little bit. And I remember very, very clearly that Renshaw was batting and a couple of balls went here and there to short leg. And he had this very, sort of a smirky smile, so as to suggest as if they were on top of the game. Okay.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden I got really angry because I was not getting the wickets. And I told him, look, you better not defend and make these runs, because if you don't make these runs, fourth
Yeah.
innings you guys won't make 100 runs. I
Yeah.
was just angry and I said it. It eventually
Yeah.
panned out. But
Yeah.
do you remember who picked up those 2 wickets for Australia apart from Nathan Lyon?
Oh, that's a tough one. Am I allowed to open the scorecard
No,
somewhere?
you're not. No, you're not.
Sure,
There are only
please.
3 bowlers apart from him. Come on, Puj.
Okay. Was it Stark?
Yeah, 1 wicket was Starks. Yes.
And another one was it Hazelwood or O'Keefe?
Hey, this is very bad. You should have gone one choice. There are only 2 bowlers left. You're saying other one, it seems. O'Keefe. I think O'Keefe got Karun Nair stumped when he stepped out.
First innings. Okay.
Yeah, first innings. And second innings, Hazelwood got a 6-4. And
Yeah,
after getting
that
8
I
in the first
remember.
innings, 8 in the first innings, Nathan Lyon didn't get any wickets in the second innings.
In the second innings,
But
yeah.
but there was a review that you made against him. Okay. So do you remember that review and who the umpire was who gave you out?
That I don't remember.
Okay, don't get
You know,
upset.
I'm not very good at
No, that's why I'm
remembering
asking.
things.
That's why I'm asking.
Yeah.
I know that this is the only way I can get to you. Otherwise, there is no way. There is no way of shaking you. Anyway, I will ask an even more pertinent question. Okay, in the
Okay.
second innings, Virat
Yeah.
got given out. Okay, do you remember
Okay.
that? Do you remember that episode where DRS was going all over the place and there was a big uproar for it? Do you remember that?
Was it Virat or you're talking about Smith?
Smith happened when I mean that is fine. We are talking about the brain fade incidents. Let's not get there.
That's a different,
I'm talking about Virat's decision where he was given out and it looked like an inside edge. You don't remember that?
No, I don't.
Okay, that's a bit of a surprise.
Even I don't remember how did I get out in the first innings. You are saying I took a review. I don't remember the review. Was it
No,
first
the
innings
review
or
was in
second innings?
second innings where Nathan
Second
Lyon
innings.
spun the ball on the back
Okay.
foot and you took a review. It spun big. but you took a
Okay.
review and it missed. Nigel Long gave you out and it missed the
Okay.
stumps. And
See, you
first,
remember everything. Why do I need to remember if I have a friend like you?
this is okay. Oh, much I'm touched. And my heart is bleeding. Thanks, sir. Thank you so much. Okay, so what I was about to ask you, try to change everything
Yeah.
up. Do you remember who our openers were for that game? This you have to say because your best friend Murli Vijay was not there in that game.
I know. Abhinav Mukund and KL Rahul.
Correct. Do you know how Abhi got out in the first innings?
Was it caught behind or LBW?
LBW. Okay, I'll give it to you.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
One very very major episode you're not able to remember. I thought you will talk about it, and I'm
What
very
is
very
it?
upset. That second day morning when Australia made about 40-45 runs in the first session, it was the most
Yeah.
dramatic first session that I played Test cricket in. You don't remember
Against
that session?
Australia.
Yeah.
What was it? You will have to
There
remind
are
me something. Give me a clue.
Ishan Sharma versus Smith's battle.
Okay.
Don't you
Still
remember
not
where
getting
Smith walked charging at him? Ishan started making faces.
faces. Yes.
Correct.
Now I
And
remember.
Virat kept on making that face for 2-3 years after that.
Yeah. Now I remember that.
You don't
He
remember?
started that. I think he started that. Ishan started that in Sri Lanka, isn't it? 2015.
Correct. But that was for Upul Taranga where he slammed his
Yeah.
head.
Yeah.
No, this one because the test
Was
match was in such heated situation, he
yeah.
went after him. But what I remember is Smith started charging at him. Like he started to bring his back foot and show the bat to him and all that sort of stuff. And Ishi was
Oh,
like,
okay.
he was in
Yeah.
his elements. He couldn't like control himself. He started going, he started opening his mouth and all that, and that became a very, very big feature of that test match.
Yeah.
You forgot about
Now
it.
I see. Now I can remember some of the memes which came in social media with Ishan's face. Yeah. Now I remember.
Hey, my Preeti is actually saying Pooja will remember and you won't remember. So both of you
Yeah.
should come on live together. No, but actually, what is the mistake that they're all making is they don't know. You ask me where Cheteshwar's concentration is coming from. No, when we are fielding, he's completely in meditation. He doesn't even feel what's happening. He doesn't feel the pain, so that when he can come back, he can just bat for 1 or 2 days. That is his whole idea of staying on the field. Correct, no, Butch?
Not at all. Not at all. I want all the bowlers to pick up wickets as early as possible. You know it. There is no pressure, but there is pressure. That is how
Okay.
my way of
There is
putting
no
things.
pressure, but there is pressure. I agree. But what is this? What is this theory behind you coming and charging? I've never seen you happy. Like there are two people that I've seen being very happy when wickets fall. One is Virat,
Yeah.
obviously because he's the captain, and then there is
Yeah.
Suresh, who's always been through his career where he enjoys everybody's wicket. But
Yeah.
there is one person wherever you stand on the field, deep mid wicket, long on, deep square leg, you keep running in, especially if the wickets are of that 8, 9, and 10. Why is it that? Why do you do that?
Because I get to bat. That is the best thing I love about this game. Batting. And yes, now see recently I've started enjoying my fielding. The reason is you guys have been taking 20 wickets. So I bat once, then you guys are finishing the games in what say sometimes 3 days, sometimes 4 days. So you get an extra day's break and then come back fresh for the next game.
Okay, so you're not upset that you're just getting to bat once and you're not able to bat twice.
No, as long as I'm scoring big runs, I'm happy.
Okay, right. So because the game is getting over early, you can go back to Rajkot faster, right?
It's not just that. Yes, sometimes it is, but not all the time. All the
Okay,
time. I mean, if we are playing in West Indies and if we are finishing games in 3 days, I'm not going to come back to India soon. You have to play another test match. So
agreed. I mean, I
yeah,
know where there are. I won 2-3 battle of horn conversations today. My limit for the day is done. I know beyond this I can't get a victory. But tell me something. What do you
yeah.
remember about the closing stages of that particular game, the Bangalore game?
The second inning, I
Okay,
think, was the
Pooj,
yeah.
sorry, I'm warning you. This is Reminisce with Ash, but it is not like a serious show. You can find kids and all coming in the camera. Okay.
That's okay.
Okay. Yeah,
Hi.
because this tends to happen. We are in quarantine, no, so I can't control.
Yeah,
Thank you. Okay, tell me what do you remember about the closing?
she's fine. She's sleeping
Okay,
actually. She'll wake
she's
up
sleeping.
soon. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
She'll wake up soon. It's her
How's
afternoon nap
Pooja?
time.
That's the next question. How's Pooja?
Pooja is fine. She's also keeping well. I've been helping her with household stuff.
Okay,
Are
thank
you
you,
helping your
Pooja.
wife?
I will.
Are you helping
Thank
your
you for the
wife,
special
Ash?
appearance, girls. Okay, tell me,
Are you
tell me
helping
what.
Preeti?
Sorry.
Are you helping your wife?
Yes, of course. So are you questioning me or are you asking me to do so? I am. Are you helping Preeti? He asked.
It's it it's both. What was the
No,
answer? I heard little bit about YouTube. Then
she
you have
did.
to.
She didn't hear the question. So anyway,
Okay.
what I wanted to ask was, do you remember about the closing stages of this game?
Yes, I do. I think the second inning became the most crucial one. We had, I mean, you can't say enough number of runs. It was just 180 which they were chasing, close to 188, I think. And looking at the pitch, the ball started keeping low, and I think the way we bowled in the second innings, it didn't start off well. I remember, I think there was an opening partnership, and once you got was it David Warner? Once you got David Warner out, or
Correct.
was it Rancho? Warner, right?
No. David Warner got out LBW, but I think
Yeah,
first wicket Renshaw was taken by Ishant. He nicked
Ishant.
him off first. Yeah.
Yeah. So that wicket, and after that, I think Umesh got Smith.
Steve Smith. Yes, you're
Yeah.
right.
After that, we were in control. I think the way you guys bowled, I remember. I mean, initially there was a panic, but once we got 3-4 wickets, we were under control. I mean, we were in commanding position.
Do you remember the classic catch that was taken at short mid wicket of Hanscom of Jadeja's bowling? Do you remember that match changing catch? It was one of the
Was
best
it by
catches
you?
that have been taken in Test cricket.
Was it by you?
Yes, that's why I'm giving all the
Oh,
but in all honesty, I brought that up because to ask you whether you remember Saha's catch of Matthew Wade.
there was
Because
no
you were
short
the
leg,
one
right?
standing at leg slip.
Oh, yeah, but there was no short leg, and
No short leg, and Saha
yeah,
went to short leg and took the
short
catch.
leg
And that
and took
was,
that catch. Yeah,
and in
one of the
fact,
best
twice he had
catches.
done that in that match. He took
Yeah,
Steven Smith's catch in the first innings at short leg of
yeah,
Jaddu's bowling, and second
yeah.
innings of my bowling, he took Wade's catch. Anything else that you remember, Puj? Anything about the crowd? Anything about Jaddu's bowling in the first innings?
I felt the way Jaddu bowled in the first innings, he just kept bowling in that area, what he does normally. So apart from that, the crucial wicket, I'll have to talk about one of the crucial wickets in the first innings. Do you remember any? Because you will have to give me some clue because I
Okay,
tend to
like I
forget
said, I
things.
mean bowling. See, bowling is not your cup of tea. Only batting is your
Yeah,
cup of tea. So in
yeah.
batting also, you can say how you felt about sharing the partnership with Jinx. Both of you
Yeah,
were in a very
I
crucial
I've
partnership.
said this recently actually. I was asked which are my favorite partnerships in Test cricket and which is my favorite. So I've told about this one with Jinx. I felt that the kind of position we were in, we had to make sure that there was a partnership. And the way Jinx batted, I think that last session was it day three after tea. That one session turned around things for us. Day three or day four, I don't remember.
Day 3 evening and day 4 morning also. You batted
Yeah,
for a while
day
both.
three evening and day four morning. Yeah. So that was the
So
partnership which was
there is
very
popular
crucial.
request coming in. या आपको
Yeah.
ये हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं ये सेशन के बारे में या पार्टनरशिप के बारे में. It is coming.
Okay.
हाँ. और गुजराती also is fine. I can
ठीक है
understand.
नहीं yeah, you can understand. I know that. Now you can. अभी तो आज पूरा गुजराती तो समझता ही है. But I feel कि वो particular मैच जो था वो काफी इम्पोर्टेंट था ही हमारे लिए. बट जब मैं पार्टनरशिप की बात कर रहा था, पार्टनरशिप ऐसी थी कि जिंक्स और मेरा दोनों का गेम प्लान था कि नेथन लायन को सेट नहीं होने देना है और जितने ओवर्स उसने डाले वो सेशन में और आई थिंक ही केप्ट बॉलिंग इवन ऑन द फॉलोइंग डे. तो उसमें उसको विकेट नहीं देना है और उसको कैसे डोमिनेट करना है, वो एक गेम प्लान था. वो काफी सक्सेसफुल हुआ बिकॉज मुझे वो उसके बारे में बोलना नहीं कि क्या गेम प्लान था, हमने कैसे टैकल किया. But yes, we had a clear game plan about tackling Nathan Lyon, and we were very successful in that on day three and day four both.
No, before we close this game or topic, I just wanted to bring up something on how it felt to bowl to Mitchell Starc. There was this incident
Yeah,
that happened, and he, like you said, the Aussies were like really ahead of the game. They felt like they
yeah,
won the series. So
yeah,
when Mitchell Starc was bowling to Abhinav Mukund in the
yeah,
second innings, I think, if I'm not wrong, Abhi just pulled one ball and got a top edge and went for a 6 right behind the keeper.
yeah,
So Mitchell Starc made a gesture saying, "I'll hit you on the helmet. Be
yeah,
careful," sort of a thing. And when he
yeah,
got out in the second innings, I repeated the same thing. for over a year and a half, my daughter
Yeah.
kept on doing that. She was very young, so she kept on doing that, hitting on the forehead. And I used to she used to ask me. My wife instigated her to ask me. So she kept asking for a year, "Appa, what is this? Appa, what is this?" So I was like,
And by the way, I wanted to ask, did you hit Mitchell Stark on the head
"How can I
with
hit
your
him on the head,
on the
coach?
rough?
I know."
Like sometimes, no, hey, not a bouncer, but sometimes
Uh,
he tries defending. He goes too low at times, and when the ball bounces, there's little extra bounce. I remember you have hit some batsmen on the helmet from the rough, like
Possibly, I
when
mean,
they, yeah,
now and then from the rough, there is possibility of hitting the helmet, but
yeah.
not like how Mitchell Stark will hit. No, it is not the
Yeah,
same.
yeah, not a bouncer.
You
I'm
know
not
how he
talking
hits
about a
Mitchell Stark.
bouncer. I'm not talking about a bouncer.
No, I mean, all said and done, I mean, all
Yeah.
the fun that we have, all the conversations that we have. Tell me one very good buddy of yours over the years in Indian cricket.
It's there have been many, but can I say your name? Am I allowed to say your name?
Yeah, you can, because I expect you to say that. That's why I asked you that question.
Okay, okay.
If you had
Then it's
not said
fine.
that, I would have felt very bad. Anyway, I mean, coming to the close,
Yeah,
I genuinely felt on one of those in that game, you deserved 100, and I think Hazelwood came back. I think with the second new ball and got your wicket. It just climbed up of the cracks, and I was
yeah.
telling everybody. I mean, he deserved to get this 100, and even now today, it might have not been 100, but for sure it was one of the best knocks that I have seen, Puj. And I
Yeah,
know
bro.
a lot of
I
people.
also I've been asked about my best knocks, and sometimes people just talk about hundreds. But for me, I think personally, the most satisfying knock was 92, and I think if I'm correct, I'm not very good at stats, but I've only been out between 90 to 100 once, and that is the only occasion I remember so far. But forget about the numbers. I felt that was the best test match I have been part of.
That's great, Puj, and thank you so much for joining me on today's episode of Reminisce with Ash. One of the
Cheers,
greatest
Ash.
test matches that I have been a part of, or we have been a part of. And thank
Yes.
you so much for gracing the occasion. If you want to take a few questions, I can ask a couple of questions before we close, and
Yeah, I don't mind.
or you can ask a
As
question
long
of
as
me, which I
as long
get me
as
into
it's
trouble.
easy, I don't mind.
Every question is
I'll
easy
ask you
for
a
you.
couple of questions. Okay,
Okay,
one will be
go for it.
I'll start with the funny one. Okay, so there have been demand of you joining us for PlayStation FIFA. So you told that you will learn and you will play with us someday. So when is it happening?
See, I mean, do you want me to take a serious tone or like a funny tone?
It's your call.
See, whenever I see you guys playing PlayStation, no, I
Hmm.
find that to be one of a very it's great to see the team bonding, but I also feel that playing something virtually is not the greatest of skills. So that's why I take you on when we play football and warm-ups,
No, but why
which is
didn't you
also stopping.
mention TT? Why didn't you mention badminton? Why
Yeah,
did
of
you
course
just
we play
mention
TT, no? Of
football?
course we play TT, at which
Okay,
you
and
are
who
decent and
wins?
I'm very good. Or okay, you are very good and I am decent. Shall we say
Yeah,
that?
yeah,
Okay.
that's
Happy?
correct. Happy.
You wanted to bring it up, no? Such a mean
Yeah,
fellow,
yeah, I
man.
had to. I had to.
Okay, there is one question that somebody is asking. They're asking for you to suggest one smartphone at 20K. Okay, finally, before I'm getting my mouth cramp. Finally, before we finish,
Yeah.
tell me something, Puj. What is your take on this whole lockdown and cricket being away from it? What is it? How are you feeling, and what is your best advice for cricketers out there
I feel, see, for me,
or
it's a
batsmen
blessing.
out there?
For me, it's a blessing, I would say. At times, you need a big break, and this is something which on a normal occasion wouldn't happen because I'm someone who would like to bat and bat. But sometimes, if you take a break, you can come back fresh. But this might be a little longer than I expected. Maybe, I mean, even going forward, we don't know how the situation will be. So it might take few more months for things to settle. Uh, so one has to stay active. I feel the importance of doing fitness is much more now, and that is what something which I would advise any young player to do when they are in lockdown. You don't need weights all the time. Luckily, I have a gym at home, so I can do it. But even with you also know that without the weights, you can do so many body weight exercises. If you are indoors, you can manage to do that. And if you have some place where if you have a cycle at home, you can do cycling, do some activity. You can do yoga, but it is important to stay fit, I feel.
Okay, thank you so much, Fuj. And before we sign
Cheers,
off,
Ash.
very, very well done on the Ranji Trophy victory for Saurashtra this year. I'm
Thank
so
you.
happy for you
I'm
guys,
glad that you
especially.
brought that up
No, because if
because
I
you
brought
know
it
it.
up earlier, you would have kept going at me. That's why I brought it at the end. So I'm very, very happy for Jaydev and you. And I play with a lot of you guys, Saurashtra guys in Chennai. But very impressive, Jaydev's tweet where he spoke about your bowling on it being the best average for the season.
Yeah.
I'm very, very impressed. I hope to play you in the next shortly, where you can give
It's
us 1
not
hour
for
of
the
bowling.
season, Ash. It's not for the season. My bowling
It's ever.
average is, yeah, ever for Saurashtra.
God. That column where bowlers and forever can never match for you, but it's unfortunate that we have come down to this. When the entire world is locked down, this is also another incident. It's okay. I will take it in the stride.
And
Thank you so much,
yeah, you
Push.
will have to take it.
Thank you
Cheers.
so much.
Cheers,
Have a
Ash.
good day. Take care.
You
Bye.
too. Cheers. Bye, Ash.